Good morning. I'm in the kitchen today to make me some strawberry heart biscuits. I saw a video on TikTok a few days back that was put out by White Lily, and it was called Strawberry Heart Biscuits, and oh my goodness did they look delicious. I said I've got to try that. Now I used a few different ingredients than they did, but oh my goodness they were good. Let me show you how I made mine. Now before I got started with my dough, I went ahead and preheated my oven to 450, which I have a convection oven, and I lined my baking sheet with parchment paper. Now to my bowl, I added 2.5 cups of Southern Biscuit Formula L mix. Now this is where I changed my recipe from theirs. 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 cup of buttermilk. It only takes a few minutes to get all of your flour moistened with the buttermilk. If you have never used Southern Biscuit Formula L, I encourage you to give it a try. It makes biscuit making so easy. Now, once you have it all moistened, add 1 cup of diced strawberries. And just kind of gently mix them in. Now my dough was pretty moist, so I put a heavy dusting of flour on my surface. Now once I got my dough workable, I pulled out some heart-shaped biscuit cutters. I had 2 types. I had a scalloped edged one like you see here, and then I had a straight edged heart. And I believe the straight edged heart done better, made a cleaner cut. Now the White Lily version says to brush the tops of the biscuits with buttermilk before you pop them in the oven, so I did that. Now I'm going to make a lemon icing or a lemon glaze to drizzle over them. I'm going to start out with 1 cup of powdered sugar, and to that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and just mix it until it's good and smooth. As you can see here, I drizzled the glaze on my biscuits pretty heavily. You wouldn't believe how much that lemon flavor brightens up the taste of this biscuit. Well, I had to taste a small piece of one as soon as it came out of the oven, and it was warm, and it had nothing but strawberry bits in it, and it was delicious. Then I tasted it again after I glazed it. Huge difference. The flavor was so much brighter. And then I even tasted them after they got cool, and I still enjoyed it. It is a good biscuit. It was delicious any way I tasted it. No doubt they would be best served straight from the oven, but I have no problem rewarming these. If you've never seen this recipe or haven't tried this recipe yet, I would encourage you to. They are delicious, and what a sweet treat to have every now and then. Hey, even on Valentine's Day. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time in the kitchen.